Alright, on today's video, we'll be working on the wife's 2017 EcoBoost Mustang. She wants to put a intercooler, a cob tune on it, and a downpipe, that's what it was. So anyhow, next couple videos is I'm gonna put about her car, doing that right there. At least she's getting into it. She might want to do a little racing with it. Trying to get down into the 12's with it. I mean, it's pretty respectable since it's a 4-cylinder turbo. It's really out of my realm. Not really into the racer stuff, but it seems to be a fun little car. It's not too awful bad. So let's see what happens. Alright, so far what we've done in this thing is I put a Turbo Smart wastegate on it. I think it has 10-pound spring in it. And a Turbo Smart blow off. And just cold air intake. When this car was bone stock before I did anything to it, ran 1401 was the best. And I haven't ran it since I did this other junk here. So I'm gonna put all this stuff on and take it down, run it again, just see what kind of difference it does make in it. I knew I'd be messing around because that's why I left my turbo shield off. Because eventually I'm gonna put a different turbo on it also, just to go bigger one. And I'll be doing away with that downpipe right there. Got an off-road downpipe with no CAD in it. I'm gonna slam that in there also. Go along with the intercooler and then the cob tuner. The cob tuner, it does have lifetime free tunes in it, so that's a good thing. So every little upgrade I do, all I do is have to get a hold of I think it was Ryan at I think it's R&D tuning. I'd look that up just to make sure, and he can just write me another tune for it. So that's a plus. Makes a world of difference. I don't have to pay for it every single time I want to do anything to this thing for her. All right, well, let's get started again. All right, first thing you got to do is just pop off this lower cover and goes across. That's easy to do. Alright, so me being a flat rate tech for 6,200 years, I'm going to go ahead and try to see if I can't just pop this down. I'm going to try to fish it out of there without taking the front cover off. And after I take the front cover off, but I'm going to try it without it. There it goes, right there. So, pull that cover off, see if we can't get it down. I don't see why I can't. I used to do it all the time. It's flat rate on Volkswagen and everything else. Plenty of junk on them. Sometimes it worked out, sometimes you kick your own ass. If you hear a lot of wind, it's not windy here. Got a fan. That's how I do it. It's 762.75 degrees out here, and I'm sweating to death. That's what you do for your wife when your wife's like, you know, you need to work on my car this weekend. I got all these parts. Let's get it done. So you sit out here and you sweat your ball sack off in the process of doing it. All right, now we're to it. Looks like I'm gonna just have to pop this bar off right here. It goes across. Caught on with looks like 2/8 here. And then it's got little plastic clips over here. That one looks easy enough to do there. Now this little air flap that comes factory in them, I am gonna do away with that so it gets all the air coming through the grill to go across the other intercooler. So alright, let's see if my hypotenuse is right, and I can just pop this bar out. Unhook the two hoses right here. Two intercooler hoses. It's easy enough to do too. Like I said, then you got these clips right here. So you just pop it down and then you push the intercooler out. Alright. Well, let me do that real quick and let's see what happens. There's the difference in the two. This is through CV Performance. That's the factory one. Now you do have to end up placing over your boost sensor right here. The bolt that they gave me definitely wasn't long enough, so I had to not put the washer on it and everything else. So, but you can get it out without taking the bumper cover off. The only thing I am doing is I am going to do away with these shields right here, just so more air gets through the intercooler up here. And I'm still taking this one off right now. I just had somebody stop by, I had to look at their car quickly. So I'm gonna get back on it now. I'll pull this out and then I can stick that up in. Comes with these brackets that bolt to the side of that intercooler right here. And then what I do is slide back into the factory location and you bolt it to the intercooler. And that's it. There you go. She is officially in. What do I do now? Front brakes across. Put the old dust shield back on. Run that. She's in there. This is the brackets, what they look like when they're in finally. This is an extremely easy thing to do. If you actually stay at it and keep on it or whatever, it's probably about, you can probably do it in 30 minutes, but I'd say 45 to be realistic. Hour if you kind of put a partner around like I was doing with other people's cars and stuff. But you definitely, for this intercooler, definitely do not have to pull the front rubber cover at all. So that's a plus. And this is, I did take these shields out there behind here because I didn't want to block in front of this. So watch the next video. I'll be doing the downpipe then on the next video. And then there'll be a video after that with me doing the cob tuner. And hopefully it's alright. If not, I'll have to do a couple pulls and then he can do like a live tune on it. So, and then the fourth video will be us at the track to see if it made any difference. Like I said, it ran 1401 stock. And when I'm running it next Friday, it will have the intercooler, cob tune, Turbo Smart wastegate, Turbo Smart blow-off valve, and the cold air intake. So, see if it knocks any kind of times down. So, this right here is a little different than other videos what I was working on here, which is that, which I'm not done with yet. It's just the wife that's keeping me busy on her car now. So, keep her happy and maybe she'll buy me some parts for what I lean. So, like, subscribe, and share.